guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making one of my favorite ice cream ever, which is pistachio ice cream. Oh, so good. It's also super easy to make. You don't need any special ice cream machine or anything like that. You just need a simple good blender and good quality pistachios. Well, let's get started. These are just the few ingredients you need to make pistachio gelato. And if you want to make it vegan friendly, just use plant-based whipped cream and milk. Let's start by making powdered sugar by simply blending it at high speed in a blender until it's very fine. Of course, you could skip this step and just use the store-bought icing sugar. Then add in the main component of the ice cream, the pistachios. More specifically, unsalted raw pistachios. Add a pinch of salt and blend until you get a very fine flour mixture. You may need to scrape off the sides a couple of times to make sure everything is nice and blended. Then pour in the milk and blend again to obtain a smooth and silky pistachio cream. But I love watching the blender smoothing out the mixture. Is it just me? Now in a bowl, whip up some cold, heavy cream. I use the electric whisk to be a little bit quicker. It takes just a couple of minutes, and once it's nice and whipped, add in the beautiful pistachio cream that we made earlier. Nothing of this precious pistachio cream is gonna get wasted. Awesome. Now I get the electric whisk again and I mix up everything. Once it's well incorporated, I pour the mixture into an airtight container and I freeze it for about 6 hours or so. Alright, at this point I suggest taking this extra step to make the gelato extra creamy. So cut it out into cubes and give it one last blend to make it nice and creamy. I used a bigger blender so that it's easier, because if you have a small blender, it may melt too quickly the ice cream on the bottom before it manages to pick and up the one on top. So in that case, to avoid that, I just suggest doing one serving at a time. Then pour it back into the container and that's it. You're ready to serve it up, preferably in a crunchy cone, at least for me. Ice cream on a cone, it's a totally different game. And tell me in the comments below, are you more team cone or team cup? Anyway, here's the pistachio gelato. I love how it turned out. The pistachio flavor, it's so powerful, rather than the one that sometimes you buy at the grocery store and they barely taste like pistachio at all. Anyway, by making it at home, you're guaranteed that your ice cream is definitely gonna taste like pistachio. And as you could tell, it was super simple, very few steps, and then this is the result. I mean, look how beautiful. If you like this video, please leave it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for new weekly recipes. Bye guys.